Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey friends, welcome back to another video of Tricknology. In this series of videos, we'll let you know about cloud computing. So watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe this channel, Tricknology. In the previous videos of this series, we knew about service and deployment models of cloud computing. And in this video, we're gonna know about storage systems of cloud computing. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. We can arrange two types of storage device in a cloud. One is block storage device and another one is file storage device. Block storage device is nothing but a device that we use locally or via network like SAN, Scsi or physical disk. This offers the raw storage to the clients to create partition and volumes. And in a file storage device, client gets their storage device as a form of files over a network. With the help of file storage device, clients can easily create their own file systems to their storage devices. Now, depending on the control, cloud storage are classified into two variants. One is unmanaged cloud storage and another one is managed cloud storage. In unmanaged cloud storage, the storage system is configured with a standard configuration and user will not be able to configure or format it as per their need. And in the managed one, user will get the storage system as per their need and they can format or reconfigure it as per their need.